Hello everyone, welcome here. AI tools for software developers in 2026. Why we require to use AI tools to make a great productivity, to either learn or work with the AI tools. So one of the best example I'll tell you to use like a ChatGPT, Gemini or Copilot, whichever you comfortable to use this AI tool, use it. Using this, generating a code, it's not only the Python. Any programming language or any script or any database relevant queries or schemas, give an idea which project you are going to and make it a schema, or the modules which the idea you require, you take accordingly the plans. You know, nowadays vibe coding is the most popularly, it is created in a vibe. So it's giving you now outline of the project with the source code and screens, everything. So creating in a source code and integrating and testing for the customized applications or apps. And testing, wherever it is required, make a test cases using generative AI tools like a ChatGPT. At the same time, using ChatGPT AI tools to make the designs, how the lightweight pages or web pages you require, you just try to ask a prompt to create this pages, web pages module wise, very accurately according to your requirements. It should be inputs are required. The page would be generated by AI tools. The documentation, the key part, wherever it is required, how the software workflows are going, if you define, yes, documentation part is created by AI. So these many features are available. That's what the companies are saying, AI engineers. So learn the fundamentals strongly, whichever you choose in a programming language, either Python, Java, which is the most popular nowadays, as you know that. And take a step of advantage using AI tools to make real world projects, small projects, which is interacting with the database. That will take you in the next level. I hope if you feel this video is helpful for you, make it comment which AI tool you are using and subscribe for more videos. We'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.